Hey guys, welcome to my channel Medicosis Perfectionalis. Today's topic is peroxisome. It has a peroxisomal membrane, which is a double membrane, and sometimes it has this crystalloid core. Peroxisome contains hydrogen peroxide. So, without further ado, let's get started. By the way, I've made all of these videos for MCAT students. Just go to my playlist MCAT Biology to get all of these videos, and this is a very good reason to subscribe. I don't know why you're missing out on all of this. This is so cool. I've told you before, mitochondria is the powerhouse of your cell. Lysosome the soldier, endosome the delivery guy, endoplasmic reticulum the rough is the translator, and the smooth is the donut. Golgi is the sorter. Peroxisome, which is today's topic, is the gym trainer. It destroys fat. When we say peroxisome, endosome, whatever zome from the Greek word soma, which means body. That's why we have somatic cells. Okay, again, soma means body. Peroxisome because it has hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2. A peroxisome contains H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide, enzymes of the pentose phosphate shunt, help break down very long-chain fatty acids. This is called lipid catabolism, and this is the process of beta oxidation pathway. That's why peroxisome is the gym trainer. It destroys fat, or it breaks it down. Peroxisomes will aid in the synthesis of phospholipids, which are needed in the cell membrane. Of these phospholipids, also the plasmalogens help in myelin sheath that covers the nerve. Peroxisomes will help in reduction of reactive oxygen species, also known as free radicals. Quick notes: enzymes that deal with hydrogen peroxide are called, guess what? Peroxidases. Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, dihydrogen dioxide, or perihydroxyic acid, all are the same thing. These are synonymous. And here is the whatever formula. Oxygen-oxygen single bond compounds are called peroxide. This is called a peroxide bond. The reduction of reactive oxygen species, you start with oxygen, and this is called superoxide. This is hydrogen peroxide, and this is hydroxyl free radicals. When you add electron, this is called reduction. When you add protons, this is also reduction. This is different from adding oxygen because adding oxygen is oxidation. Okay, now what if abnormalities happen and you have peroxisomal disease, such as the X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy, which I've talked about in a previous video, so please Google adrenoleukodystrophy medicosis and you will find it. X-linked, so it's commoner in males, and since the peroxisome forms the myelin sheath plasmalogen, peroxisomal disease will have nervous system problems, which makes perfect sense. See, medicine is cool. That's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. Facebook, Twitter, SoundCloud, Instagram, I'm all over the place. Please consider supporting this channel on Patreon to get extra stuff and to get early access to these videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis. As always, be safe, stay happy, and study hard.